Hey guys, what's up? Good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching the video from. It's me again, it's Mike from GMT. So I got this request from my subscriber. I don't know this subscriber actually. About the Unity Art Store. He said his service option is not showing in the project settings. So Obito, sorry about that. This is for you. So I've really never came across this kind of error, but I think I have a fix. I'm not sure if that's a fix to it, but I have to try. So go over to your Unity Windows and press Control O, or you can just go to Window General and press Service. So I think this is what he's talking about. So number one thing you need to know is you need to be connected to internet. Yeah, you need to be connected to the internet for your project to show. And another thing is you need to be signed into your Unity Hub. So you need to sign in. If you don't have a you don't have a Unity account, just go to Unity ID. Unity ID. Then you should be able to create the Unity ID that you use in your Unity Hub. So once you connect your once you sign in, so just go to Window and General and Services. Okay, so Window and then press General Settings here. Then you will see this Unity Project ID. So that's the Unity ID that Unity will use to link your project to your Unity dashboard. So select your select your organization here. You see it. Then if you have an existing project ID, then you press that and you set your organization. Then if you see your project listed here, then you select it. But if it's not listed, then you see create a new project ID, then create project ID. So automatically should create a new project ID for you. So automatically that's linked your project to the Unity dashboard. So this is my project. So you can say no, and if it's yes in your case, so just press save. So I think by then you should just be able to, if it's ads, you can turn on ads. So this is taking time because it will import the ads package and stuff like that. So guys, the tutorial will be this short. Just a quick fix that someone requested for. So that will be it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if the video actually helped, guys. So have a nice time and bye.